Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to create this kind of images or photos of your own using Gemini AI. This kind of pictures are trending nowadays as the Navratri will start, and you can also create this kind of photos easily. So I will show you how to do this. So for that, you first need to go to Google Play Store. In the search bar, search for Gemini AI, and then you need to install it. After installing it, you need to open it. After opening it, you need to click on the plus icon over here. Then you need to click on gallery. Then you have to select your image. After selecting, here you have to write the prompt. So you need to write the prompt over here. And now click on OK. And this will create the image that you want. You just need to wait for a few seconds. And here you can see the image has been created, whatever prompt they had that I have provided. This is for the boy or a man. You can also give another prompt for a girl or a woman. So you need to upload any girl photo. For that, click on the plus icon over here, then go to the gallery. Then select your picture over here, click on done, and here you need to enter the prompt. So for that, here I have entered the prompt, and you need to wait for some time. And here you can see the image has been created, whatever prompt I have provided. The best part is that you can also simply download these images by clicking on the picture, and here in the above section you can see the download option. You need to click on this and the image will be downloaded. So by doing this, you can easily create your beautiful pictures. The prompt I have already provided in the description. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.